The blood vessels are the components of the circulatory system that transport blood throughout the human body. These vessels transport blood cells, nutrients, and oxygen to the tissues of the body. They also take waste and carbon dioxide away from the tissues. Blood vessels are needed to sustain life, because all of the body's tissues rely on their functionality. There are 5 types of blood vessels: the arteries, which carry the blood away from the heart, the arterioles, the capillaries, where the exchange of water and chemicals between the blood and the tissues occurs, the venules, and the veins, which carry blood from the capillaries back towards the heart. The word vascular, meaning relating to the blood vessels, is derived from the Latin vas, meaning vessel. Some structures, such as cartilage, the epithelium, and the lens and cornea of the eye, do not contain blood vessels and are labeled avascular. The arteries and veins have 3 layers. The middle layer is thicker in the arteries than it is in the veins. The inner layer, tunica intima, is the thinnest layer. It is a single layer of flat cells glued by a polysaccharide intercellular matrix, surrounded by a thin layer of subendothelial connective tissue interlaced with a number of circularly arranged elastic bands called the internal elastic lamina. A thin membrane of elastic fibers in the tunica intima run parallel to the vessel. The middle layer, tunica media, is the thickest layer in arteries. It consists of circularly arranged elastic fiber, connective tissue, polysaccharide substances. The second and third layer are separated by another thick elastic band called external elastic lamina. The tunica media may be rich in vascular smooth muscle, which controls the caliber of the vessel. Veins don't have the external elastic lamina, but only an internal one. The tunica media is thicker in the arteries rather than the veins. The outer layer is the tunica adventitia and the thickest layer in veins. It is entirely made of connective tissue. It also contains nerves that supply the vessel as well as nutrient capillaries in the larger blood vessels. Capillaries consist of a single layer of endothelial cells with a supporting subendothelium consisting of a basement membrane and connective tissue. When blood vessels connect to form a region of diffuse vascular supply, it is called an anastomosis. Anastomoses provide critical alternative routes for blood to flow in case of blockages. Leg veins have valves which prevent backflow of the blood being pumped against gravity by the surrounding muscles.